Welcome to Mary's Monday Minute. Today I'm in a physics classroom at the high school and I'm standing here with the teacher who happens to be a veteran, Colonel Sitler, and he's our new physics teacher for 9th grade.
During my time that I was in the Air Force, I was a flight instructor.
Okay.
And as I reflected on my career, I realized that what gave me the most enjoyment and the most fulfillment was connecting with other people where I could in some hopefully small way influence them in some way and give them the ability to improve. And so I really tried to make aviation and what's happening outside of the classroom be a central theme that we cover in here. And so by trying to make the things we're talking about be authentic and something that they maybe have some understanding of, that's really what we focus on here in the classroom. I've told the students in the classroom that if they want to thank me for my service, then give me a chance to teach them. I got a lot of great experience and education and opportunities from the U.S. Air Force, and now I get an opportunity to pass that along to another generation by being here at Washougal High School. I did 28 years in the U.S. Air Force. 15 of those were on active duty, and in my last 13 years, I was in the Oregon Air National Guard. And so I've lived in the area since 2007 and retired in the summer of 2020, looking for a second career, and ended up in teaching.
Well, thank you for joining us. Personal thank you for your service as a veteran. It means a lot to us, so thank you for that.